Hey, Cage. Oops. Cage, you got something on your face. You got a Cheerio on your face. Right here. Look at Mommy. You got a Cheerio right here on your face. Can you get it? Cage. There's a Cheerio on your face. Yeah, on your face. Do you see it? It's on your face. Look. Look, Cage. Cage, look at Mommy. It's right here. No. Right here on your face. Where's your face? Where's the Cheerio? Yeah, it's on your face. Can you see it? Go look in the mirror. Go look in Mommy's mirror. Oh, no, that's a pen. Okay, give that to Mommy.
No.
Yes, please. Where are you going?